In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a bank account conversion balance in Xero. This process is essential for setting up your accounting system accurately when transitioning over to Xero from another system. Ensuring that your bank account balances are correct helps maintain accurate financial reporting, which is crucial for your business. To begin, first navigate to Xero's website by opening your preferred web browser and entering xero.com in the address bar. Once you've arrived at the Xero homepage, look towards the top right corner of the page for the login option. Clicking on this will take you to the login page where you can enter your credentials to access your Xero account. Once you've successfully logged into your Xero account, you'll be directed to the Xero dashboard. Here, locate the taskbar menu across the top of the page and look for the option labeled Accounting. Give it a click, and you'll see a drop-down menu appear, providing you with several options. Next, we're aiming for the Accounting settings. Spot it on the drop-down menu and click on it. This will bring you to another screen where you can configure various accounting options. Here, look for an option titled Conversion Balances. This is where you'll be inputting your bank account conversion balances. Click on Conversion Balances to head to that section. Within this area, you'll find a button or link labeled Plus Add Comparative Balance. Click on this to begin entering your balance details. This section allows you to input the comparative figures from your previous accounting system that you want to carry forward into Xero. Now, it's time to carefully enter your balance details. It's crucial that you double check this information to ensure its accuracy because this will impact your financial reports in Xero. After entering the necessary details, look for the Save button, often found at the bottom of the page, and click it to record your conversion balance. Saving this information updates your Xero account with these balances, which are now set as your point of reference moving forward. Finally, it's always a good practice to verify that everything has been entered correctly. Look through your bank account summary to make sure the balances reflect the correct amounts and match your most recent bank statement. If everything lines up, you've successfully entered your bank account conversion balance in Xero. And there you have it. You've taken an important step in transitioning your accounting data into Xero, which will facilitate smoother financial operations and reporting. Remember, maintaining accurate financial records is key to effective business management, so take a moment to review your entries whenever you make significant updates like this. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps make your Xero journey a little bit easier.